Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to use the child locks. This video should apply to first generation of these models made from 2007 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so first I will quickly explain what is the purpose of child locks. So the child locks are used to actually disable the rear interior door handle. So that means if you have a child driving on the back seat and they try to open the door will not open. So right now the child lock is not engaged, and if I pull onto the handle, the door will open, right? And now I will show you how to activate child locks. Just here on the edge of the door you will see like a small symbol and the locks. All you have to do, you have to insert the key into this keyhole and turn it, okay, just like that, and then that should enable your child locks. And now we'll test it. So I will close the door, and now if I try to open it, as you can see, the child lock is not, the interior door handle is not operational. And you have to do this for both doors separately. Okay, now this is the other door, same stuff. You want to open it, and if you want to enable the child lock, it's gonna be right here. And I also want to add, once you enable child locks, the rear door can only be opened from the outside but not from the inside. So the outside, the exterior door handle will still be working. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.